He out here. Sup, man? Long time no see.
Hey, what's up, yo? How you doing, man?
Good.
Oh, yeah, long time no see, man. Hi.
It's been so long.
Yeah, it's been so long.
Rosa?
Yeah, just get a birthday cake for.
But the case?
What about that? Oh. Get a snowstorm?
Huh?
Snowstorm?
Joe, are you treating today?
I don't know.
Oh.
Probably.
Go over 2 people. How are you, Yana?
Can I get the spicy Doritos, like your nachos?
The noodle with cheese. You like a jalapeno?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm probably just gonna take a bite of roses.
Hey.
What'd you get for us?
A birthday cake, as usual.
What up?
Oh yeah, oh, I forgot.
10, 20. Damn, my mom took all of the cash out of my dad's thing. This is like $100 right here.
Joe, what do you think?
I don't know.
Just get him one of these, Joe.
Okay.
Yes, you know, he ate a whole lemon.
And Kutu,
Okay, good.
Jolly Rancher, Kutu. Yep. And a small hot Cheetos and cheese.
Hot dog cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, you want the regular one or the
Lime.
jalapeno too? Oh, you serve with lime, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad. Anything else, Jojo?
Do you guys want anything? Yeah, that's all.
That's $20?
$20.
Yep, here you go. And got your stuff. Okay, this one. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's hella dark.